Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to run migration to generate a database schema. So each migration, if you see, it describes a set of changes. Alright, so I'll quickly go to my terminal and I'll write python manage.py migrate. Okay, moment I do this, you see what all operations happen. You can see here. You see, applying content type 0001 initial, okay. So all these things are happening over here. You can see it. So what happened over here? So Django went through all the installed apps, executed all the pending migrations which was there. So you can see the migration that comes from content type over here. Here it is, content type, then admin, then some of the operations which are bunch of operations which are there by auth. Okay, then some of the operations are with, you can see, tags, sessions, likes, and so on. All right, so these are the operations which have been performed on migrating the things. All right, now where is our database? If you're wondering, if you come over here, you come to your db.sqlite. The file is not displaying in the editor because it is either binary or use an unsupported text encoding. Now what you do, you go to your extension. I'll come to my extension एंड यहाँ पे मैं इसको SQLite इंस्टॉल करूँगा. ठीक है, सो आई विल गो टू SQLite. Okay, this is your extension. So if you have not installed it, install it. Do command palette and you search for SQLite. Okay, SQLite OpenDB. Now you have an option db.sqlite3. So select this. All right, now when you select this, you come to your SQLite Explorer. You see here. Okay, ये database है आपका. Now if you can see over here, you have bunch of फाइल्स ऑथ ग्रुप के लिए, ऑथराइजेशन एंड ऑथेंटिकेशन के लिए है. फिर आपके पास Django एडमिन है, इसको मैं ऊपर थोड़ा कर दूंगा. कंटेंट है, Django की कुछ फाइल्स हैं यहाँ पे. फिर लाइक, जो आपके लाइक्स ऐप के अंदर में जो भी आइटम है, डेटाबेस जो भी आप चेंजेस करोगे वो रहेगा. स्टोर के अंदर में सेम रहेगा और टैग्स के अंदर में सेम रहेगा. सो जितने भी आपने चेंजेस किए हैं जिस ऐप में, उसके सारे डेटा इसमें स्टोर होते रहेंगे. ठीक है, ऑलराइट. सो इफ़ आई गो टू Django माइग्रेशन over here and if I right click and if I say show table, it will show me all the list of things which has happened, like whatever migration I have done it, that all details will be available over here. Like first migration which I had done, I did it at some date and time, everything is there in this. You can see here. Okay, second auth के अगेंस्ट में जो मैंने माइग्रेशन किया था वो भी इसी टाइम के अराउंड में है. ठीक है, then you have second migration which you had done, that is also there over here. All these things are available in this. So this table contains and keeps track of migrations that has been applied to database. All right, so this is all about the migrations, guys. So it was quite a good class on migrations, and next class we'll see how to customize our database schema. So you stay tuned with me. Have a good day.